Hello and welcome back everyone to this new guide video of 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your employee portal of Paycom. If your company uses the portal of Paycom for your employee services or your benefits, let me show you the quick process of logging into your account. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so make sure you keep watching it until the end. Search for paycom.com on the search bar of your web browser and it's going to take you to its website. From the website of Paycom, you'll see an option of login on the top right. If you hover over it, you can see three options: client, employee, and accountant. Click on the employee option and you'll be directed to the login section for employees. Type in the username of your account on the first box. Type in the password that you created in the second box. And lastly, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number, or you can also type in the PIN. You can reveal your password and your PIN by clicking on these eye icons. Now, for any reason, if you have forgotten the username or the password of your account, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link. From there, you can follow a couple of steps to recover these information. Once you type in all of your credentials, you can now click on Sign In and you'll be signed in to your Paycom account of employees. So that was a short and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.